In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix saved videos on YouTube app. Hello guys, so first thing you want to do, open YouTube like this. Now this is the home page as you can see. All what you want to do now is just go here and for example, I'm gonna choose this video. Click on it and go right here to save it and click on save like this. Now all what you want to do to find the saved videos, go down here to the library right here as you can see, scroll until you find this watch later option. Now here on this page all what you want to do is just click play and you will watch all the videos that are saved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.